Hi friends, welcome to yet another section of Tarot Divinations. Myself Dr. Khushbu Gulati and hope you all are doing well. Okay, so guys, in the previous video we were discussing the cup suit, and in that we had discussed the three of cups and the four of cups, right? So today we will continue our journey of cup suits, and we will discuss the other two cards, that is the five of cups and the six of cups. Okay, so let me show you the five of cups. See, this is the five of cups. Okay, so what can you see in the card? You can see that a figure, it is like standing very in contemplation, very sad, and the person, like it's looking that the person is filled with grief about a certain event, okay, which has occurred in his or her life. Okay, and and this person is like looking at the negatives, okay, and not at the positives. Okay, so you can see that that the person is concentrating on those cups which have fallen over, okay, and which are these three cups, okay, in front of the person. They have fallen over and they are empty, and he or she is busy focusing on those cups, okay, and they are not looking at those two cups, okay, which are still upright and which are behind them and which are still filled. Okay, so the fives in tarot, they are all about change. Okay, and this signifies that this situation will sooner or later change for the better. Okay, so the main message of this card is that do not look at the negatives, look at the positives in your life. Don't get disappointed, okay, as the tide of events will surely turn in your favor. The wheel will be in your favor soon. Okay, so it's basically that the person is, hunched back. The person is very depressed, very sad, anxious over the loss of certain things in their life. Okay, but they are not focusing on the things which are still present in their life. Okay, and they should be happy about it, rather than being sad on a situation which is sooner or later going to change for the good. Okay, because this is the five of cups, and fives, they are basically about changes. Okay, so that means that this situation will not going to be will not remain like this forever, and it is going to change for the good. Okay, so basically this is what the five of cups is all about. Okay, now we'll move over to the six of cups. Okay, so this was the five of cups, sad, wallowing, okay, over possible loss, okay, of in a certain situation. And then comes the six of cups. See, the six of cups is a very happy card. Okay, and it basically shows that a person is offering flowers, okay, a bouquet, like it's like a bouquet type, and the cup is filled with flowers. So it's like giving it to this girl who is shying away. Okay, so this card mostly comes in soulmate situations, when you are dealing with a love or a relationship situation. So when this card comes up, so this means that you are dealing with a soulmate, possibly with a soulmate. Okay, so this is a very beautiful, very good, and a very positive card to have. And sometimes it can also represent an immature energy, because this cup, it is not filled with water. Okay, so this can sometimes indicate because water, it indicates emotions. So when this cup is not having any water, this means that the emotions are less, or the emotions are not present there. Okay, so this is basically considered a short term, like relationship energy, which is more which is not that serious, but more flirtatious, and more wanting to have fun. And it's more about like pleasure, and this charming and flirtatious energy, basically. Okay, So, but this is not in all situations. This is in very minor situations, and this is not the case always, because mostly it is a very good card. It is a very positive card, and it is a soulmate card basically. Okay, and this thing can also mean that maybe it is the start or the initiation of a relationship. This flirtatious, flirtatious and fun loving, and this very new and fresh energies also present whenever any new relationship is starting. Okay, so this can also represent that situation. So it's not necessary that the relationship is not good, or it's not worth, or it's not going to remain for a long time. Okay, it can also mean that the relationship is at its starting stage, and that is why the flirtatious energy is more at that time. Okay, because at that time the two people involved in like who are going to get involved in this relation, they are wanting to know each other better, so they spend too much time with each other, and in the process they also have a lot of fun and flirt, and a lot of pleasure. Okay, so this is all about the Six of Cups basically. So whenever you get this card, mostly it is a very positive card to have, so you should be happy. And this is a soulmate card. Okay, this is a soulmate card. Apart from the lovers is also a soulmate energy. Okay, and Six of Cups is also a soulmate energy. Got it? Lovers was in the major arcana. Okay, I had told you, and that card was ruled by the Gemini. Okay, so this card, it is basically a very happy energy, and it basically deals with a soulmate situation. Okay, so this was all about the Five and the Six of Cups, and I hope that I'm clear to you, and I try to explain it in a very simple language and in much detail as much as I can. Okay, so that you get to know that you get to understand it in a very simpler manner, and in much simple terms. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and we'll continue our this journey very soon in the next video. Okay, so till then, take care, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel and help me grow. And please do watch all the videos in succession. Okay, if you want to have a better idea of what all we are talking about, and what is the significance of each and every card which we have discussed in our previous videos. Okay, so thank you, take care, and bye bye.